Guys, now today we're going to be playing Flappy Dunk again, and we're going to this time try and reach our highest score. And also, guys, if you see my previous Flappy Dunk video, then go react to that now. Alright guys, I'm back. Just ignore the noise. That was just a video playing in the background. Alright guys, we're gonna do one more attempt, then we're gonna end the video. I don't know guys, we're gonna do one last attempt. Okay guys, we're gonna end the video. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to receive all notifications on my channel, and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time guys. Bye.